At the beginning of the year, on many people's timeline, saw questions like, well, what's the most important thing for an entrepreneur? And every time I answered, I said persistence. It's persistence, just that one word. That is the most important thing for an entrepreneur, or just anything in your life, is to be able to just keep on going. So it was Calvin Coolidge that said it's the persistence that is most important. I mean, there are geniuses that are never rewarded, and there's talented people who never make it to wherever they want to go. But it's persistence. It's, when you're not getting to where you want to go, you just keep pushing and going. And as I coach people in e-commerce, so often I see so many people give up so quickly. I mean, the thought is, oh yeah, I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, click, and the sales are going to fall out of the sky. So, but it's not like that. Anything that's worth doing takes work and effort and persistence. And for those who are, here watching this right now, and you're having trouble with your e-commerce, there's a link below or to the side. Just click on that. Let's get you going so we can get you through those times that are difficult and get you on a shortcut to making things work the way you want them to.